Ramzan Kareem to you all, and I'm going to make Mogo chips today. And I've taken one large Mogo. You can use more than one Mogo. My Mogo is pretty large, so I've taken one Mogo and I chopped it into huge chunks. I removed the chunky part of it, soaked it in water, and when I was done with cutting and cleaning my Mogo, I boiled it in a pan with some salt and haldi for 25 minutes until the Mogo soften up. Your Mogo may unsoften before 25 minutes, so just poke a fork through it to see if it has softened up. It should take between 20 to 25 minutes. Once that is done, I will drain this Mogo and then layer it on a pan, on a single layer after draining it, and apply some salt, grease the pan and then apply some salt and paprika and smears a thin layer of oil all over it, and then bake it for a further 5 to 7 minutes until it's crisp. And I will turn it sides so that both sides crisp up, so it will be nice and crispy as if it was fried, but it's not fried, it's almost baked. And do try this recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. See you later. Serve it with some lime wedges, and this will be a nice appetizer.